Car crashes are a fantastic example of Newton's three laws. For example, his first law, which states if an object is in motion, it will remain in motion. If an object is at rest, it will remain at rest, unless acted upon by an outside force. A good example of this is when you come to a sudden stop in a car, and you jerk forward into your seatbelt. But if you're not wearing your seatbelt, But let's look at a scenario where a car crashes into a static, massive object, like, say, a large wall or the ground. This is a great example of Newton's second law of motion, that states if an unbalanced force acts on a body, that body will experience acceleration or deceleration, or a change of speed. This is represented by the formula force equals mass times acceleration. So when a car hits a wall, we can see the car crumple. This is due to the car in motion remaining in motion, despite the obstruction which causes the car to crumple. As the car crumples, the force of the impact is also released as energy. This energy is mainly emitted as sound. Once the car's velocity reaches zero, or it has decelerated to zero, the car has come to rest. Side note, in this scenario, the wall doesn't break or move at all. So the full force of the car has to go somewhere. If the wall is so massive it will move such a small amount as to be imperceptible, or it just doesn't move at all, in which case the force of the collision acts on the car and the whole planet, to which the effects are widely insignificant. This actually complies with Newton's third law, which states that for every action there exists an equal and opposite reaction. We can more clearly see this when two cars collide, as not all car crashes are with immovable objects like walls or telephone poles, but many are with other vehicles. Another thing to know is that the same force does not produce the same amount of acceleration to each body, or in this scenario, car. Since mass may be different, acceleration would also be different. It is my hope that by watching this video you have a better grasp of Newton's three laws and how they affect everything around you, not just a car crash. Thank you for watching.